The compact, lightweight Arrowhead one-person tent is great for solo trekking and packs down small enough to fit in any backpack. Our tough, durable Hydrotex core fabric is a 75 denier PU-coated polyester, ensuring waterproofing and tension through rainy nights. The white side entry in allows comfortable sleeping space with enhanced headroom in the front. The inner is offset to maximize porch space, allowing rain-safe storage of boots and backpack. Thank you for watching. To check out every detail on the Arrowhead tent, go to robens.de.